Hello again. Today in our literacy lesson we are going to be looking at seeing if we can understand singular and plural words. Those are words you might not have heard before, but I'm sure you've definitely encountered singular and plural words before. So to be successful today we're going to see if we can explain what singular and plural means. We're going to see if we can understand simple plural rules for how to spell plural words. We're going to then see if we can understand some more complex plural rules. And we're going to see if we can correctly change words from singular to plural or plural to singular. So the first thing we need to know is, what does singular and plural mean? That word singular, you might have heard the word single before. That helps you to understand what singular means. Singular means one, by itself. So if I'm talking about something that is singular, and I was describing a noun that was singular, I might say a thing like carpet. The carpet, there's one of them. Chair, table, person. All of those would be singular things because they're just describing one thing. Plural is where there's more than one. So you could say carpets, chairs, people. All of those words would be plural words. So how can you work out what the plural of a word will be? Well, there are some special rules which you can follow to help you to spell different plural words. Let's hear about those rules now.
The first rule is simple. To make most words plural, just add s, as in scoops and cones. The next yummy rule involves es. If you hear the sound of is, add es, as in dishes and boxes. This rule is just peachy. If the word ends in a consonant plus y, change y to I and add es, as in cherries and puppies. And if the word ends in a vowel plus y, just add s, as in days and monkeys. Now here's the scoop on words that end in o. If the word ends in a vowel plus o, add s, as in pistachios or stereos. And if the word ends in a consonant plus o, add s, as in pianos, or es, as in heroes. You may have to consult a dictionary because there's no solid guideline on this last one. If the word ends in f or fe, we often change the f or fe to v and add es, as in loaves and knives. You can hear the v sound when the word becomes plural. Loaves, knives. Now some words ending in f don't change when they become plural. You don't hear a v sound, so you just add s, as in chefs and puffs. Are you getting full yet? Don't worry, we're almost out of ice cream. Our last rule is kind of, well, irregular. That's because some words don't follow the normal patterns for making plurals. Child becomes children, tooth becomes teeth, and ice, well, just stays ice.
Now I know that's a lot of rules to remember, and it will probably take you quite a bit of time to get used to understanding and making the plurals of all those different words, especially the irregular ones which you just have to learn. But what I'd like you to do now is go to DB Primary and see if you can test yourself and your understanding of singular and plural words. There are two activities for you to do. Activity 1 is a task where you're going to be changing words from singular to plural and then the other way around, from plural back to singular. And then activity 2 is a mini test. I'm going to give you 5 questions to see if you understand different singular and plural words. I bet you know more than you actually thought. So once you've finished it, come back here and see if you can have a go at your open. So your open today, your objective was understanding singular and plural words. Hopefully today you're able to meet some of the success criteria. Have a think about what your next step in learning could be. Do you need to be able to understand and explain what singular and plural means still? Do you need to understand some of the simple plural rules, such as adding s or es onto the end of words? Do you need to understand some of the more complex plural rules, such as when you take away the letter y and change it to ies? And are you able to correctly change words from singular to plural and plural back to singular? Practicing that could help you to get even better at structuring your sentences really well.